Welcome to the cooking project video for the class LS201, dated May 16, 2026. This video features pictures of the cooking project presented by the students of LS201. This video features pictures of the cooking project presented by the students of LS201. Alberic, Bertil, Kevin, Merlin as the leader, Marley, Nadej, Orklix, Christelle, and Vicentia as Vicky. We begin with a look at the setup for the project discussion at All-in-One Academy main office. Students are gathered, reviewing the preparation steps for the amawo dough on a projected screen. Dish name: amawo with grilled chicken. Yummy. Tasty.
That's tasty.
The preparation steps outline how to make the amayo porridge, starting with sifting the corn flour. Presented by Merlin.
Other students attentively watch the presentation.
More students are seen taking notes and engaging with the materials, including instructors like Mr. Eric. The presentation continues, with visuals related to the cooking process being displayed. Kevin contributed as photographer. He was responsible for the camera shooting during the activities. As you can see, he is assisting Merlin to present the PowerPoint.
The students observe the projected images and instructions for the cooking project. The group moves on to the preparation steps for finish and serve together.
A student stands up. Her name is Vicentia. She presents the next set of steps, detailing how to cook and serve the meal.
The discussion is interactive, with the presenter engaging her peers. She continues to explain the process while the other students listen.
Another student takes the floor, presenting their part of the project details. Presented by Miss Merrily.
The students collaborate and share their insights on the cooking project.
Next, Alberic explains how he played the tourist at the market. Miss Nadej presented how she assisted in managing the budget. The presenter stands next to the screen, detailing the final output explained by Miss Nadej.
The content includes information on the cooking duration and budget for the recipe.
Miss Bertil explains how she assisted in shopping and chopped the onion.
The group discusses the practical aspects and resource management of the cooking project. The projected slides provide clear information for everyone to follow along.
Students pay close attention, absorbing the details of the dish presentation. Miss Merrily went shopping and cooked the onion sauce. She also explained that she cleaned the dishes.
The focus remains on the completion of the project and the dish presentation. The collaborative learning environment fosters engagement and shared understanding.
The project discussion is successfully concluded, showcasing the students' hard work. They finally served the meal to the guests and instructors. The presentation shifts to the dish presentation slide, showing images of the final meal. The students examine the visuals, which highlight the finished dishes. Thank you for your time, and thank you for watching. The full video is available at All-in-One-Academy YouTube channel. Contact the student or one of the instructor, Mr. Eric or Mr. Roger, to get it. Don't forget to subscribe to get notified when new videos of cooking projects or other students' presentations are available. Be the first to watch and enjoy. First, visit www.youtube.com. Next, in the search bar, type in All-in-One, Benin. If you cannot see the logo or the name of All-in-One Academy, try with the keyword All-in-One Academy. Finally, click on the name and after, click the button Subscribe. Again, thank you.